Hello children, happy morning. How are you all? Fine. Okay, today we are going to see another story number 3, which is named as Tarun and the Bird. From the title, can we guess what is the picture about? It's about the boy whose name is Tarun and the bird. Do you all like birds, children? I like very much. I like the sound of bird. I like the colorful birds. Fine. Now, in this picture, can you tell what are the objects or things? Yes, we can see newspaper, tables, books, right? In this page, it tells the sound of bird. So, what is the sound of bird? Chirp, chirp. Where is the Tarun now? And what he is doing? We can see him just lying down and he is reading a book, but still he could hear the sound of bird, that is chirp chirp. He is looking for the bird. He is trying to find where the sound is coming from. Now in this picture, where is Tarun now? Yes, he is on the table. Do you think, children, the sound is coming from outside the window? See, Tarun is looking outside the window. Okay, in this picture, is Tarun looking again for something? Where he is looking? And again I will ask you what sound he can hear. The sound of bird, chirp chirp. So he is looking for the bird. See, he is searching sometimes under the couch and sometimes under the table. So Tarun looks around the room. What did the boy Tarun find now? Yes, now he found the bird. I think something is wrong with the bird, right? Let's see what is wrong with the bird in next page. Now in this page, do you think the bird is scared? You know scary face? See, you can see there. So the bird face is like that, right? See, I feel bird is scared and Tarun wants to help the bird. In this picture, I think the bird can't fly as this bird got hurt. When you get hurt in your leg or hand, how you feel, children? We feel pain, right? We feel to cry. Like this, bird also is in pain and bird is unable to fly. So Tarun is trying to help this bird, but I think bird is still scared. So bird is not going to Tarun. In this picture, what Tarun is doing to the bird? Yes, Tarun is stroking the bird and the bird feathers feel soft to touch. Have you ever tried to touch, children, the bird feather? Yes. What is the bird trying to do here? Bird is trying to fly, but still the bird is unable to fly because see, in this picture we can see that Tarun has thorn in his hand which was in the bird. So the bird was unable to fly. Here again Tarun helps bird to fly, but she is unable to fly. Bird also tries to fly a lot, but she can't fly. In this picture, what is Tarun doing? Yes, he is climbing up the tree. Why he climbs up the tree? Do you know, children? Bird's home is what? Nest. And nest where can we find? On the tree, right? So Tarun wants to put this bird in nest. So he is climbing the tree. Here we can see Tarun is scared. Why is Tarun scared? Let's see why. Can you see some insects seen in the picture? Yes, what are they? They are bees and they can hurt us. Do you know the sound of bees, children? It sounds like buzz. Now, in this picture, what do you think? Is Tarun happy? Do you think he is happy? No, see Tarun, he got hurt. He is holding his arms. The bees had stung Tarun now and he got hurt. It must be paining now. In this picture, what the bird is trying to do? Yes, the bird is trying to help Tarun by flapping her wings. See how nicely the birds can flap. Now, we can see that Tarun is running away. Where do you think he is going? Okay, when you got hurt, first to whom you will go, children? You will go first to mommy, right? Like that, Tarun also runs home to his mother. Where is the Tarun mother now? And what is she doing? Tarun mother is in kitchen cooking something. So Tarun find his mother cooking something in the kitchen. And do you think Tarun can smell something nice? Yes. What mom is doing in Tarun's hand? She is applying something as Tarun got hurt, right? Can you see Tarun's another hand where it is? Yes, Tarun want that cookies which the mother had prepared for him. He takes cookies and says that Ma has made cookies which is yummy. Now, what do we see in the picture? Yes, Tarun eat cookies and tells Ma about how he had spent his day. Do you chat or talk with your mother, father every day like how Tarun does, children? See, Tarun tell his mother how he helped the bird and how bird helped him from the bees. So that's all in this story, children. Thank you and bye bye.